Hey everyone, want to extract RAR files using WinRAR? RAR is a popular archive format used to compress and package files, and WinRAR makes it easy to open and extract these archives. In this full guide, I'll show you how to extract RAR files with WinRAR in 2026, step by step. So let's get started. First, open File Explorer and locate the RAR file you want to extract. The archive may be in your Downloads folder, on your desktop, or anywhere else you've saved it. Now right-click the RAR file. You'll see WinRAR options, such as *extract here * and extract to *. Choose Extract here if you want the files to appear in the same folder as the archive. For a cleaner setup, choose Extract to followed by the archive's name. WinRAR will create a new folder and place the extracted contents inside it, helping you keep everything organized. You can also open the RAR file directly in WinRAR. Double-click the archive, and you'll see a list of all the files and folders stored inside it. If you only need certain files, you don't have to extract the entire archive. Select the files you want inside WinRAR, click Extract to, choose a destination folder, and then start the extraction. If the RAR archive is password protected, WinRAR will ask for the password during extraction. Enter the correct password and click **OK***. If you don't have the password, contact whoever provided the archive rather than trying to guess it. Some large RAR archives are divided into multiple parts. You'll usually see files with names such as *part 1*, part 2*, or extensions like **.r00* and **.r01*, depending on how the archive was created. Keep all parts in the same folder, then open the first part and start the extraction. After extraction finishes, open the destination folder and check the contents. Make sure the expected files are present and that they open correctly. For the best experience, make sure you have enough free storage space before extracting large archives. Keep all parts of a multi-part archive together. And avoid opening RAR files from unknown or suspicious sources. Archives can contain potentially harmful files, so use appropriate security software and only extract files you trust. And that's how to extract RAR files with WinRAR in 2026. Whether you're extracting a single archive, selecting specific files, opening password-protected archives, or working with multi-part RAR files, WinRAR makes the process simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.